Duel. Guys, I'm gonna be playing every class today. Well, or try most classes. I don't really have time for too many games. Okay, we're already in one, and let's do random class. What's random class? Random kit. Let's see what we get. Oh, Hunter. I don't like this class too much. Oh, we got reason. Not yet. Just bow spamming. He's getting some nice hits. Getting a spider. Get resistance. Yeah, he uses like cancer P, what a waste. Oh, he's kind of wrecking us.
There's your ability.
You gotta use that if I can't compete. I'm dead. Yeah. Okay, that was a pretty bad game.
Restart the video!
Alright, this guy, we're playing with Andy actually. This guy is not gonna, he can only win unfairly. I think this guy's hacking. Yeah, this guy's hacking. He's definitely hacking. So we'll just get into another game. I guess he's gonna be there again. We're just going to play. See. I think this guy's hacking. I'm not sure. I didn't get to drink my... Okay, this is a new guy. Thank God. Oh, werewolf. Yeah. Oh, just smoking this baby phoenix. Can you please come back here? What the heck is... What's happening? He's lagging. Oh, that was a failed block placement. What? Hey, you're lagging. Why is he lagging so bad? I can't understand what's happening. Stop! Oh my god. Thank you. Okay, that was a really bad game. I don't understand what happened there. Hopefully he doesn't rejoin, because I don't want to play against him. So far we were met with a hacker and a really lucky guy. I'll actually get into 2v2 then. Because maybe. Yeah. Let's do HP. Remember a few days ago there was a party that kept on targeting me, and even though they weren't on the same team. Okay. Facing off 2 Eurobonds. I wonder what this is. I have a feeling my teammate's getting smoked. Let's just save them. Okay, these people suck. Oh. You can't help your friend, dude. Oh shoot, I'm low. Oops. I'm gonna try not to drink a pot, but if necessary, actually I'll drink it. I'll let my teammate die. I want to 1v1 him. Unless he wins, which would be pretty bad. Oh, he's losing. He lost. Let's 2v1. They're gonna, okay, that one's gonna health pot. Okay, This seems fair. When you're at 2 HB. Come here, you're on 1. And then I'll turn. Let's fight. Let's fight. Come on. Kind of getting wrecked, mate. Alright, we just won a 2v2 against HB. 2 HBs. And they both had. Yeah, we won it a 1v2 against 2 HBs. That was pretty funny. And they were both almost on full. So, just get into another one. Let's go 1v1 this time. No one's here. Get out of this one. Ooh, we have a 7 streak on this, actually. No one is joining, sadly. I can't get, no one's joining. I'll just end maybe with the combos. Ooh, Skyward's doing now. OP duel. Okay. I really don't play this duel much. But I don't know, maybe it's good. Oh, I need this. I'm kind of beating this guy, I think. Oh, okay, that's what it is. I don't know what he was doing. Okay, we'll play another guy. This guy maybe is better. I've never really played this duel, but I hear it's like a really, like a lot of good people play this duel. So like, you know. Okay. Smoke this guy. Now you're gonna drink a bottle. Those were some fishy hits, mate. Oh, what? This guy is really weird. He let me on fire. You're almost dead, mate. Okay, this guy's not cheating at all. I just crushed him. It got some weird hits, but it's okay. Hello. Probably end up, maybe do this last duel and then just like, yeah. Let's go, maybe. Okay, this guy's good. I hate being on fire. But why am I still... What? Okay, I have no idea what that was. Okay, I'm gonna play this guy again. Okay, he quit. I don't understand what that was. Like, when I'm on fire, I just don't understand what I'm hitting or who I'm hitting. Okay, wait. Oh, no. Someone joined. I don't know why I left. Get back in. Come on. OP do. This is probably the last one. If I just beat this guy. I hope he's not that good. Why? Why? Why do you do that? I don't understand. I like OP duel actually. Okay, no one's joining clearly. So 2v2. I hate when this happens. Like no one's playing. Solo, Mega Walls. Okay, no one's joining. Wait, what else there? You rich do. OP2. Okay, I'll that for some other day. Well, okay, that's the video then.